In today's video, I will walk you through how to create recurring payments in Stripe. Once you're logged into Stripe, locate the Create button in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click the drop-down menu and select Subscription. The first section is where you'll choose a customer. If the customer already exists in your Stripe account, use the drop-down menu to find and select them. If you need to add a new customer, choose the option to create a new customer. A window will appear where you can enter the customer's account details. Once you've entered the information, save it and it will be applied to the subscription you're creating. Next, move to the pricing section and select Add New Pricing. If you're creating a new product or service, enter the required details in the window that appears and save it. If the product or service already exists, simply select it from the available list. If you want to include more than one product or service in the subscription, click Add Product and repeat the process for each additional item you want to include. After that, go to the subscription schedule section. Choose the start date for the subscription and then select the end date for the billing cycle. In the next section, decide whether you want to offer a free trial. If you do, enter the number of trial days you want to provide. As you build the subscription, review the summary section on the side of the page. The summary updates automatically and displays the selections you've made for the customer. Next, review the payment method section. If the selected customer already has a saved payment method, the option to use the existing card will be selected automatically. If needed, choose a different saved card from the customer's account. If the customer does not have a payment method on file, click Add a Payment Method, enter the payment details, and save them to the customer's profile. Continue to the Advanced Options section. Here, you can add custom invoice fields if needed. Enter any additional information you want included with the subscription. You can also add a note in the invoice footer section. Once all of the subscription details have been entered and reviewed, start the subscription. That's all it takes to create recurring payments in Stripe using the subscription feature available within the Stripe dashboard. Thank you for watching.